Say hi mga Tata Shots. Say good afternoon. Yeah, where are we going today? We are going to Turok for today's vlog. Yeah, my baby. Hey, Daddy's here. Oh, Daddy's here. Come on. Sorry, Daddy's here. Slowly, slowly. 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 Let's open Daddy. Daddy's here. Oh, peekaboo, Daddy. Where's Daddy? Hey, where's Daddy? Oh, slowly, wait, move. Move. Hi, Daddy.
Oh, you're going to go for vaccination?
Ah, yes.
Why is this bad now?
Yeah.
You going to do vaccination?
Did you get the money? Bulaga. Si Bulaga. Tapos na tayo. Kagaling lang namin sa sa doktor niya. Hindi na kami nag-video baby yan, Kasi naglakad lang kami all the way there. Oh, bless you. Kiss. Give him kiss. Say, kisses, Tata. Kiss, Tata. Kiss, Tata. Where's the kisses? No kisses? Ah. Ting. God bless you. Grabe yung dakot ng batang ito. Na-trauma na talaga sa injection. Alam niya na talaga. Baby, no? Oh my goodness. Holy moly. I forgot this one, baby Ayana. I forgot. Sleepy time? Huh? Want to sleep? Or you want milk? Okay, let's go. Show them first. Oh yeah, wait, sit down. Nandito pala kami sa walking street. Naghanap kami ng tatay niya. Hindi, naghatid kami ng damit niya kasi yung damit niya nadumihan. Oh, wait, be careful, baby Yana. Careful. Baby, careful. Mama. Tapos bilang ko lang siya ng shawarma. Pang-snack ni daddy niya. Kasi mamaya pa yung kakain. Wala pang almusal yung daddy niya. Yeah, baby. What do you want? Just look around. Don't move too much. Marami daw kasi siya nakikitang magaganda. Ha? Daming tao. Say hi to everyone. Hi. Okay, huwag ka malikot. Mabalintong ikaw, Iday.